Today then, the MayBee, I've put a little camera on it and we'll see if we can throw some moves.
Throttle active.
So she's away and a little bit of a breeze. So I like to try some rudder turns, so what we like to do is to go up and then kick the tail over, upside down. That wasn't supposed to happen. Fun anyway. Let's try that again. Going up, kick the tail over. No. It's tricky stuff. So go up, there we go. So kind of a hammerheady type thing. And if we try and do a rudder turn there. And up again.
10.7 volts. 10.7 volts.
It eats the battery, obviously, throwing thing around like this.
10.7 volts.
Nice. Slow rolls. So it's got a very wide flight envelope, this little guy, and for just a flat wing, I think it's quite amazing. Yeah, she looks quite nice. It's obviously just a profile, but when it's up there, you would hardly know.
.6 volts.
There we go. Up. Just increased my rates, so I realised that I was still on low rates.
10.7 volts. 10.6 volts.
Shush. Just wanted to show you the roll
10.7 volts.
roll rate when it's on higher rates.
Volts.
Well, battery's getting low now, so we'll bring her in. As you see, it can fly quite slowly as well. Just hovering there into the breeze. And not the most elegant of landings, but hey, it was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching.
Telemetry last. Throttle cut.